So I wanted to share one of the very common self-help strategies for panic attacks. The fear center of your brain has gotten activated, which just gives you a message that there is some sort of a threat, and it gets your body ready to either run or to fight, and that is what constitutes a panic attack, but the symptoms are extremely uncomfortable. However, there are certain strategies that we can do. For example, deep breathing we do, and one such other strategy we do is what we call a grounding technique. So in the grounding technique, you basically activate your 5 important senses, and once your senses are activated, that gives a message to your panic button or your alarm system that, hey, I'm okay, I am working, my body parts are working, I can see, I can hear, I can smell, I can touch, I can taste. So basically, I'm safe. This is a false alarm. No need to get activated. I got it. I got things. I'm in charge of things. And that then helps you gently come out of that panic attack. So I have made my grounding bag. So you can name your grounding bag. Just get a very simple bag from like a dollar store, and just a very cheap one. And I have named my little grounding bag as Calm, and I can tell you what I have kept in it. All right. So say, for example, I have a little bottle of perfume, or just some essential oil. You can just take it out, spread it a little, smell it. So that says that, okay, my sense of smell is working, my nose is working. And then, of course, something to hear, fidget button or a fidget spinner. And I kept like my old, stapler, and it's making a noise. So you just get it close to your ears. All right, my ears are working, my sense of hearing is working. Stress ball, so like I kept this soft little ball, I can just sort of touch it and press it and feel it. So my sense of touch is working, I'm doing well. Right, and then, because when you're in a state of panic, remember, all those negative thoughts start playing in your head, all those negative voices that I'm not good enough, I am horrible, I am weak, I lack courage. So for that, we can keep little notes in which you can write your words of affirmation. Like, for example, I have written some words of affirmation, like I'm strong, I'm brave, which says I matter. So you say, God loves me just the way I am. You can keep pictures of friends or family members who really care about you, who love you deeply and unconditionally, and who you love deeply and unconditionally as well. Like, I've kept the pictures of my kids when they were babies, and if you belong to a certain faith, then you can always keep like a rosary. That sort of can also help you with the touch and distraction, also help you come out of the panic attack. And I love, this is my favorite, where I love is that little lotion that you can keep, nice smelling lotion. So just sort of take a little dab and put it on your hand, and then just gently massage your hands. So this technique is just very calming. So it just kind of tells your brain that, okay, my sense of touch is intact, so I am safe, I'm working. And you can just smell it, and also just rubbing those hands also activates the nerve ending, create that parasympathetic response, which can help in decreasing your heart rate and gently just deactivating that alarm system, that false alarm, which does get activated during a panic attack. So this is just like a little self-help strategy and a self-care strategy. You don't have to necessarily do it just during the panic attack, but make it a habit. Like, if you're waiting in a doctor's office, you're waiting for the bus, you're waiting for something, instead of pulling that cell phone, you can just go ahead and take that little bag from your purse, and you can indulge in this self-care strategy, that self-care technique. It can just help you come out of that state of panic, state of frenzy, state of anxiety. Try it and let us know in the comment section. Take care.